Hello, this is Nonna Maria bringing you another Sicilian recipe. We call them Spiedini. Usually we make it with veal, but today for you I'm gonna make it with pork. We need the stuffing, which is breadcrumbs, rosemary, basil and parsley, pine nuts, raisins, and a lot of cheese, like Romano cheese, little pepper. We also stuff them with mortadella. Today I chose mortadella. You can stuff it with anything like prosciutto, any kinds, salami, nah, not really, but prosciutto and mortadella, ham. Yes, ham, you could do it. Sharp provolone cheese. Then at the end we put onion, bay leaves. We roll them in olive oil. And a little plain breadcrumbs, plain. I always put something in it. And of course, this is, we put it over here. This is called Spiedini. Okay, let's start. Andiamo! See, I'm showing you I got a little one. Then we roll it and roll it. Usually, sometimes I even smaller than this. And we put a toothpick. And right now, oh, it's opened. Okay, and right now, we set aside. And the first one, I forgot the provolone cheese. Well, one is going to be without. And again, we roll it gently, the sides. And we secure it. I'm not going to make many because my family's not here. Only for my son, I need 3 times, all my kids. 3 times the size of this. By the way, these are not chicken cutlets. I prefer the tenders because they're smaller instead of me cutting everything. I made only 7. It's only a little old me. Like I said, for my son, my kids in general, that would be 4 or 5 times this amount that I have. Anyway, now we dunk it in the olive oil. We put it on the breadcrumbs. And it again. Olive oil, breadcrumbs, olive oil, breadcrumbs. I sound like a robot. This is the procedure. I think I need a little bit more breadcrumbs. Let me wash my hands, even if I have gloves. I did the first, how many are they? 2, 4. Okay, now we put See, 1 onion, 1 bay leaf. And we put it through. Let me put one on this side. Okay, again. Bay leaf and onion. Nope. This way. I'm doing the other way around. Another one. Other bay leaves and onion to cover. Now the last one. And let's close it with bay leaf and onion. Here we go. And this is one. Now we do the other 3. Here's the other 3. And again. Onion, bay leaf. Let me put it on this side. When I work with chicken, or like meatballs, or when I make rice bowls, I like to use my gloves. I know some people criticize me, but I don't like the germs and chicken, the salmonella, spreading all over my kitchen. Plus, I wash my hand 150 million times. This is me. You guys can do whatever you like. Bay leaf, onion, this is small. Now again, another one, bay leaves, oops, let me put a little bit more, onion, and like I said, I'm preparing this for tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna, usually we grilled it. I'm not allowed to have a grill up here on my terrace, and I don't feel like going downstairs on the big grill by the pool. But anyway, I'm gonna do even on the cast iron or in the oven. I don't know. And we're done for now. Leave it over here. Of course, put a little bit more olive oil. See how cute they look? And we continue later. Ciao! Voila! Here we have. I decided on cast iron. I really wanted to use a hair fryer, but let me do it this way this time. Okay, so I brush a little olive oil and I put some salt. This is sort of the way we grill it. And I use the cast iron. I did it that one side already. Now I just turn and do the other side. Let's wait a little while longer. I turned them on the side now. So let's do the side. Put a little bit more olive oil on top so they come nice and moist. And now They look about ready. Okay, now let's plate. Little hot. E adesso che facciamo? Andiamo di là e mangiamo. And now we're ready. I plated. I'm not going to eat this whole thing. And here is some spinach salad with cured olives and little baby cucumbers. And now I said, a favorire, buon appetito da Nonna Maria. Un bacione. Alla prossima ricetta. Ciao ciao.